In today's video, we will take out the tail light for 2019 Honda Accord. First step, we will open the trunk. Notice there is a plastic cover attached on the edge of the tail light. Using a thin screwdriver and a plastic trim remover tool, you'll try to take out this cover from the edge. Gently try sliding in the plastic trim remover tool until the plastic cover pops out. Plastic cover is out. Here I'm using a Phillips bit with gun to take out 2 screws, but you can use a Phillips screwdriver as well. Once both the screws are out, now we will just slightly pop out the taillight. Just like that. Usually, bigger chunk of taillight is attached at this point by these 2 brackets. Now if you completely want to remove the taillight, you just have to take out the plug first and then the harness that is attached with the taillight. Just remove the bracket for that and there you have taken out the taillight completely. Some other case, if you just want to change the turn signal or the indicator bulb, you just turn this plug anti-clockwise and take the bulb out. Replace the bulb and put the bulb back by turning it clockwise. The only bulb is for turn signals, the rest are LEDs. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.